Are you wondering how to track job posting views on Top Echelon? You're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to easily monitor the views your job postings are getting on Top Echelon so you can optimize your strategy and boost results. Stick around till the end because I'll show you a great bonus you won't want to miss that helps you get started with the software for free. Top Echelon has some powerful tools for tracking job posting performance. The first thing you need to do is log into your account and navigate to the job postings section in your dashboard. Once you're in the job postings area, you'll see a list of all your active job postings. Here, you'll be able to track how many views each of your job postings has received. Each posting has a view counter next to it. This is where you'll find the number of times your job posting has been viewed by others. It's important to keep an eye on this number because it helps you assess how much attention your job posting is getting. Are people clicking on it? Is your posting attracting the right candidates? Top Echelon also gives you the option to filter and sort these views by specific time periods so you can see how your postings are performing over days, weeks, or months. This helps you spot trends and make adjustments to your strategy quickly. The platform provides detailed analytics on each posting. You can see how many clicks came from active job seekers or passive candidates who just came across the listing. These insights can guide your next steps, whether it's optimizing your posting or adjusting your job description for better engagement. One of the best features for tracking job posting views on Top Echelon is the ability to integrate the system with your own applicant tracking systems, ATS, or other tools. This ensures you can get a full picture of how your job posting is performing across all platforms, making it easier to track results and refine your recruiting efforts. Another important thing to mention is that Top Echelon allows you to track these views alongside other metrics, like the number of candidates applying, which gives you even more control over your recruiting process. You'll have a clear understanding of how your job posting is resonating with your target audience and which channels are bringing in the most views. And here's a pro tip. Pay attention to the job posting views early on after publishing. If you notice that the views are lower than expected, it may be time to tweak the job title, description, or even the visibility settings to get more eyes on your posting. Now, if you're new to Top Echelon, it's crucial to understand that this tool is incredibly user-friendly and designed to make your recruiting efforts more efficient. The job posting tracking is just one part of the larger suite of features, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be optimizing your recruiting process in no time. Remember, if you want to get started with Top Echelon and experience all these benefits, including job posting views tracking, you can use the link in the description below for an exclusive free trial and bonuses. Trust me, it's a game changer for recruiters and hiring managers. By the way, as I mentioned earlier, the link below gives you an extended and exclusive free trial to Top Echelon. Don't miss out on this chance to level up your recruiting process. That's it for this quick guide on how to track job posting views on Top Echelon. Make sure to leverage the platform's powerful analytics to improve your recruiting strategy and get the best candidates on your team.